Hi, babies. Look at this clingy dog. Do your boy dogs do this too? He is the clingiest thing ever. Okay, can you sit down? Yes, right back there. Oh, okay. How about right there? Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. So today we are going to be talking about some of my June favorites. Most of these products are carried on Amazon, so I will have them linked in the description box below, along with a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. So you guys can get all your stuff in 2 days, free shipping, no problems. And you guys, I've also been loving Prime Video. If you guys need a really good psychological thriller TV show, check out Homecoming. I have been hooked, you guys. That's on Amazon Prime. So that's kind of rambling, but let's hop into my June favorites. You guys, a lot of these things you will need. I promise. I have been loving using and abusing all of these. So you guys, the first thing that I wanted to recommend are these shoes. I think they are so freaking cute. They've got the little bow ties on them with the studs. These are like true rubbers. I don't think that they're uncomfortable. My sister was like, those look so uncomfortable. I don't think they're that uncomfortable. I think they're so cute though. It's something that you can wear with a sundress. They're work appropriate, and they're really cute, you know. These sandals are carried on Amazon, and I think they're supposed to be like the Valentino dupe sandals. Ain't nobody got money for that, but I thought they were so cute. I had to get them in nude, but they also come in like black and a few different colors, so definitely check them out. Everyone needs a new sandal every summer. I feel like my sandals get busted by the time summer's over with, so I had to pick those up, and I'm so glad I did. They are so freaking cute. So now that it's sandal season, we gotta get our toes right. Can't be walking around with crusty, dusty feet. So you guys, I have just this Conair foot bath. This takes up like the whole video screen. This thing is a lifesaver. I wasn't a huge fan of going and getting pedicures. I felt like it was just something I could do on my own and save a little bit of extra money. So I got a $20 foot bath, and I just soaked my feet in some Epsom salt and some soap, and I am good to go. You can peel off all of that cuticle, get a fresh paint job on there, and you are good to go. Just invest in some good top coat, because honestly that's key to making any nail polish look good is the top coat, the shiny top coat, and it looks like you just came from the salon and you saved a bunch of money. So I have been loving this. Honestly, I just get myself a drink, turn on my favorite show, and do my toes. It's so relaxing. It's something that I personally love to do, and I don't think I need to go to the nail salon anymore. So I really love my foot bath. I can't recommend these things enough. I know they're really big, and you know, they kind of are a pain in the butt to store, but I think they're totally worth it. And if you guys don't have a foot bath and you're not trying to buy one, you can always soak your feet in like a bucket or the tub. But I personally like having something that I can put right in front of my couch and my TV, so I can have that full relaxing experience. So that's just personally what I have been loving. So now that our feet are looking right with our new sandals and our foot bath, another thing I want to recommend is this little scrubby guy. I thought these were really gimmicky, and I saw a lot of people recommending them based on Amazon favorites and stuff like that. I had to pick one up and try it out myself, and you guys, it has been a game changer. So personally this summer I have been trying to wear my hair more natural, which means I gotta put a lot of gel in it. I gotta put a lot of product in my hair, and that product buildup kind of gets flaky and it's kind of stubborn to get out of your scalp. So this thing has been a game changer. I have been loving using this. I just really get my shampoo in there, and it helps cleanse everything, detoxify my scalp completely. Scrubbers really get in there and suds up the shampoo to a next level. I think it's so relaxing. It feels so amazing on the scalp, and I have been suffering with some really bad dandruff lately. I think it's the change in the season, but my dandruff has been insane. So this has really helped manage my dandruff. Before I really couldn't manage it at all. I'd be having to take a shower like every 2 days just to get that dandruff out of my hair, and now I'm back to like 5 or 6 days without showering my hair and just using this, and I think it works amazing. So I would highly recommend trying this out if you have 1, a lot of dandruff, or 2, a lot of product buildup, because it's really good. Okay, so the next thing that I absolutely love and I'm going to be repurchasing time and time again is my Nivea Essentially Enriched 48-Hour Moisturizer. So you guys, the difference between this and regular moisturizer is it has almond oil in it, and it leaves your skin looking like water silk. I don't know how to describe it. Let me see if I can do it. Hopefully you guys can see. I apologize for my awful tan lines. I was doing a little bit of self-tanning. So you guys, look at that sheen. That all over your body, it makes your skin look amazing. This sheen is what I live for. And it like stays on the skin better than oil. Like I love using baby oil and stuff like that on my skin if I'm going really quick. But this is so thick and it just stays on your skin. It's like the lotion seeps into your skin, but the oil is like a protective top layer. It's so beautiful. It looks amazing on the legs. I put it all over my body and it just has like a clean, like baby powder scent, and not too baby powdery though. Just a very light, subtle scent. So I really like it because it doesn't take away from my perfume. It doesn't take away from my body spray. I don't really like an overly scented lotion because I feel like it's just too much. So I really like this and it has really been saving my skin. And now that it's summer out and you know, we might burn a little bit more, this is going to be a lifesaver for moisturizing your skin. So the next product I want to mention is a necessity for summer, you guys. With all these backless dresses, tops, and tube tops, it's really important to have yourself a good sticky bra. Strapless bras do not do it for me because honestly, they like separate your boobs, they're falling down all the time, and they create a lot of back fat. I just don't like I just don't like strapless bras at all. So you guys, this is my own sticky bra brand. It's called Evolved Curves. It's sold on Amazon, and it is a sticky bra for women of deeper complexions. The reason I created this sticky bra is mainly because there was nothing like this on the market. There was no options of sticky bras for women of deeper complexions, and so some of my friends couldn't find a sticky bra that matched them. And you know, if you're like wearing a lace top and you just need kind of like boob covers, you don't want to be wearing something that's super light for your skin tone. It's a really great affordable sticky bra. You can use it like 30-40 times. I've been using the same one for like 2 years and it's still going strong. And the one thing I will say is you cannot like put lotion or oil on your boobs before you use this because that's gonna, you know, the adhesive is not gonna stick to your skin. But if you make sure that you like use just regular soap and dry off and then put this on, you're gonna be good to go. Even in 100-degree weather, when you're sweating and all of that, you're gonna be good to go. This is a really great product, and I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but I put a lot of time into like research and development, trying out a bunch of different samples, and this is a good one. So I personally love a sticky bra for summer because I have all of these cute tops that are strapless or very thin straps, and it's really nice to have a little bit of extra, you know, hold and lift on your boobies. So, but I cannot recommend Evolved Curves enough. I know it's because I created the company, but go check out the reviews. Everyone seems to love it, so I think you will as well if you're in the, you know, if you're in the market for a new sticky bra. The next product that I want to mention is my waxing kit, y'all. It's been tough out here. You know, like waxing places are closed. The lip hair, the eyebrows are getting out of control. I will have it linked in the description box below. I don't remember the exact brand of it, but it is a big, you know, waxing bowl that heats up. You have 4 bags of wax beads that melt down into wax, and then you just apply that to your skin with a popsicle stick, which they provide, and then you rip it up and the hair is gone. I love waxing my eyebrows in between right here, my upper lip. I like waxing kind of like my my bikini line on my thighs. I don't do all of my bikini because that would take a lot of willpower. And I don't have that kind of strength to do it on myself. But the main reason why I have this wax kit is for my armpits. You guys, if you have never waxed your armpits, you have not seen the full potential of how your armpits can look. Like, it just looks amazing. Your armpits look really great. You don't have to worry about your armpit hair for like 3 or 4 weeks. And I have really thick hair. I have thick hair. I have like 3 hairs per follicle kind of thick hair on my armpits. So you guys, it's really been a game changer for me. You no longer have that shadow under your armpits. It just looks really nice and it's definitely worth it. You don't have to worry about shaving at all. And you know, if you try and shave your armpits day after day, they get bumpy and all of that. And now that it's summer, we're gonna be wearing a lot of tops where our armpits are showing. And personally, I just like a smoothed out armpit. So I highly recommend this wax kit. It has been a game changer changer. I just leave the old wax in there. All you have to do is take it out of the kit, plug it in, warm it up, and then wax those armpits, and you are good to go for weeks. It's a really, really nice feeling not having to, you know, worry about armpit hair or about like a shadow or anything like that. So I absolutely love waxing, and this wax kit is super affordable. It's going to pay for itself time and time again, because going to like European Wax or, you know, any wax center is expensive and time consuming, and ain't nobody got time for that. So, and we don't even have the ability to have time for that because they're closed right now. So I highly recommend a wax kit. Again, it will be linked in the description box below. Next thing I want to recommend is this top I'm wearing. How cute is this? So this is a nice little workout top for summer especially. I like that it has a high neckline. I think you can even bring it up higher. I think this is how, well, I just got a lot holding it right now, so that's why it's drooping, but if you have a smaller chest, it's probably gonna fit you more like that. But I really love this sports bra. It's like a sports bra crop top. So it's very full coverage right here, and then has a thinner material right here. But I like that it's still really high neckline, especially since I do have a bigger chest. Like, me wearing a regular sports bra looks provocative because, you know, I have cleavage and stuff like that. And that's, you know, that's not really the attention I'm trying to attract, especially when I'm working out in like a park or, you know, going for a walk or something. I'm not really trying to show all of that, but it's hot out and I'm not really trying to wear a full top either. So this is perfect. Like, this is something I feel totally comfortable being out and about in. You know, it's not really showing anything, and the back is super cute. Let me show you guys the back. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, you can't see the back. I will insert a clip of the back, but it also has kind of that cutout mesh as well. It's super cute, and if you are a woman with a bigger chest, you know how much of a struggle it is to find sports bras that fit correctly, and this one is so good, and it actually comes in a 2-pack. It comes with a black one. Comes with a black one as well. This is what I was talking about. It's a racer back, but it also has like this mesh on the side, so it's giving you full coverage from front to back. I think it's so cute. It's something that I feel comfortable in, and I can like do high hit intense workouts. So it's a very high impact sports bra, and yeah, I really like it. I'm super happy I got it. This white though, like the fact that I'm wearing a full face of makeup in white, that's crazy. But typically when I'm working out, I'm not wearing any makeup, so I really like it. It looks so nice, and I'm so happy I got these, and I love that it comes in a 2-pack. It was like 20 bucks, and it's really hard to find sports bras, honestly, and so yeah, I'm so happy with it. So the last and final thing I wanted to recommend, I have been going ham on trying to like lose a little bit of weight for summer because you know, it's summer. I want to feel my most confident in some little slinky fits once, you know, the city opens back up. So I have been weighing myself a little bit more, trying to track some fitness progress. Guys, I was kind of anti-scale before I got this, but then I thought about it. I'm like, F the number, who cares? Like, I don't care about my exact like weight as long as it's going down. So this is a really great scale because it connects to your phone through Bluetooth. So you just download an app and it tracks a bunch of different metrics. So here's I saved the box because I wanted to talk about these. It tracks your body weight, your body mass index, fat, bone mass, skeletal mass, body water, visceral fat, subcutaneous fat, and metabolic age, a bunch of different ones. You see all of these. It tracks all of these just through your smartphone. So you just hop on this every few days, sync it with your phone, and you have all of these different metrics being tracked, which I think is really important when you're trying to lose a little bit of weight, so you know you're doing the right things. And you guys, by tracking my weight using this scale, I was able to lose 3 pounds just because I was so like into tracking it and making sure I was moving down. I lost 3 pounds and I was really happy with it. So I absolutely love this scale. It looks really sleek. It's nice to have a scale, mainly just to track your progress. You can also track your progress through like dimensions, like measuring your dimensions and everything like that, but a scale is really nice because it has all of these different metrics, which I didn't even really know I needed until now. But one thing I learned by using this scale is about visceral fat, and visceral fat is fat around your organs. So if you have a lot of like stubborn stomach fat, that's visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is like fat underneath your skin, which I'm pretty good on, according to my scale. But visceral fat is something I need to do some work on, and that totally makes sense because I carry a lot of weight around my stomach. So you guys, I've been trying to eat some more clean food because I did a deep dive into what visceral fat is and how to get rid of it, and you mainly lose it by eating well and working out a lot. So I have been really loving this, and I love that I can see my progress from week to week, month to month. It's keeping me motivated, and it's really keeping me on track with everything. And again, you can find this on Amazon. It's really, really good, and it's something I just needed in my life. I needed to start tracking my progress a little bit better, so I'm happy I got that. So yeah, you guys, I think that is about it. I hope I didn't talk your ear off. These are all things that I have been using and abusing and loving, especially now that it's summer. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Again, all the products will be linked in the description box below, along with a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. So go ahead and check them out. Check out the reviews and everything like that. But let me know what you guys have been loving for summer. I would definitely like to check it out. So yeah, I hope you guys stay healthy and safe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.